Let's install a SPELAB intake manifold for 2007 to 2024 Cummins 6.7-liter pickups. This unit comes with a new gasket and an oil dipstick bracket, along with an optional heating element. Here are the locations for the map sensor and heating element. To start this install, I will unbolt my oil dipstick, then I will remove my heating element wiring and the element from my current SPELAB intake manifold. With the heating element removed, I can access the internal 6mm Allen bolt inside the intake manifold. In order to not drop this bolt into the cylinder head, I will keep tension on this bolt as I remove the intake. Once the perimeter bolts and intercooler boot are removed, I can carefully remove the intake and old gasket. Then the map sensor can be unplugged and transferred to the new intake manifold. Keep tension on the internal bolt and remove the intake along with the old gasket. Now the map sensor can be unplugged and transferred to the new intake manifold. With the map sensor installed, now is a good time to insert the heating element or the included plug. Next, the new intake manifold and new gasket can be installed onto the cylinder head. With the new gasket in place, tighten the perimeter bolts on the intake, then reinstall the intercooler boot and clamp. Connect the map sensor, then the heating element wiring needs to be tightened down onto the new heating element. Once everything is tightened and connected, this install is complete and looking good. For more SPELAB parts like this, visit SPELABautoparts.com. Thanks for watching.